How do we connect our Dudu Pixie to Wi-Fi? First, turn on the power switch to start the device.
Hi, nice to meet you. Please follow the instructions to help me connect to the network.
Now, open Settings on your phone and tap Wi-Fi. Scroll down and find the Wi-Fi network beginning with DVAI. Then tap it. Your phone will automatically redirect you to this page. Scroll down to the Wi-Fi list. Normally, only 2.4G Wi-Fi networks will appear here. 5G Wi-Fi networks will not be displayed. If you don't have a 2.4G Wi-Fi network at home, please watch the last part of this tutorial. Scroll down and find your home Wi-Fi network. Tap it, enter your Wi-Fi password. And then tap Connect. Once you've seen this screen, the connection has been successfully established.
The network has been connected successfully. You can wake me up now.
If you need to configure the Wi-Fi again, find the volume button on the back of the device and press and hold it for 3 seconds to enter Wi-Fi setup mode.
Enter Wi-Fi setup mode.
You can then reconnect Dudu Pixie to Wi-Fi. How do we connect Dudu Pixie to our personal hotspot? First, open the personal hotspot settings on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, turn on Maximize Compatibility. If you are using an Android phone, make sure the hotspot frequency band is set to 2.4G. If it's currently set to 5G, change it back to 2.4G. Then, follow the normal connection process. Go back to Wi-Fi settings, find the network beginning with DVAI and tap it. After your phone redirects you to the Wi-Fi setup page, scroll down and check whether the name of your personal hotspot appears in the list. If you cannot find it, scroll down and restart your personal hotspot. Wait a moment for the Wi-Fi list to refresh. Once your hotspot appears, tap it, enter the hotspot password, and tap Connect. Your Dudu Pixie is now successfully connected to your personal hotspot. After receiving your Dudu Pixie, you should first connect it to your home 2.4G Wi-Fi network. Generally, the 2.4G network is the one without 5G in the Wi-Fi name. If your home Wi-Fi only shows the network with 5G in its name, you may need to access your router's settings and configure the Wi-Fi band separately. First, find your home router. There's usually a router login address printed on a label on the back or button of the router. For example, it may be something like this number, although the exact address depends on your router. Open the browser on your phone and enter the router login address. If the page does not open in your current browser, you can try another browser. Enter your router password to access the network settings. Look for the menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines, and find the Wi-Fi settings. Tap Wi-Fi, then open your Wi-Fi configuration. Find the setting that combines the 2.4G and 5G bands into one Wi-Fi network and turn this option off. After completing these steps, you should see 2 separate Wi-Fi networks at home. One is the 5G network and the other is the 2.4G network. The network indicated by the red arrow in the video is the 2.4G Wi-Fi network. Connect your Dudu Pixie to this 2.4G network and you'll be ready to use it normally.